The retarded, the insane, the dying, the dispossessed, the victims and the drooling as science for the obsessed, the wailing, the crying, cold shivering and the dying, screams of the tortured and the autopsys incising. Doctors in white masks covering white faces of death, drawing the blade to the skin in red line of final breath. Scream, screaming, screaming, and the silence befalls, showered of the floor for urination and lost stools. Malnourished and insane, praying for fatal deliverance, stink of the permeation in death for lethal experiments, condemned for the forever of the endless suffering here, wishing for the madness from the pain or else the fear. In secret and in total silence of such government treaty, there will be no such sanction here for mercy or pity. They are now forgotten, untold and never witnessed, as so they were in the hundreds chained, lost, abused. Moans of a quickening of madness in duality of torture, the daily visage of experimentation without the nurture, for the scientist bereft of the sanctity for human life, a scenario of nightmares made real within this strife, injections of disease or lethal pathogen of no cure, pieces drop off yet still alive, perhaps death be so sure, to release the torment at the mercy of a crying science, when the scalpel reaches skin for of own deliverance. The pustules, the bleeding, the pain and body twitches, exploded in chambers and now frozen in the ditches, spun in a centrifuge and left to rot with their diseases, impregnated by rape, infected, decimation of their babies. The screaming, the agony, and the stories never foretold, obliterated by shrapnel via the bomb left out in the cold, tied to a post and wishing death be the mother of mercy, sickness that prevails as the pus semiosis unconditionally, an atrocity of war born of the inhumanity of science, doctors and demons the devils alike without conscience. The history untold and their secrets they keep so tight, an eventuality of a time such horrors so now in sight.